Swingful day for gold, while crude oil has traded mostly bullish and achieved $82 levels. But important point is that gold has went in towards 1895-96 zone, which is a good resistance, and bounced since then. Now it is trading again below the critical levels at 1920. So now what to expect with the US session, specifically the pre-US session time, when the retail sales data and the PPI data from US is going to be there. Definitely the data may bring a little volatility into the market. So what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released exactly 12 hours from now with the Asia session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now gold on the hourly charts, you can see 1914, 1918 and 1922. Now this box is important now for this time zone. If you look at the last few candles, see the previous two candles had a very strong tail and now it is trying to reverse. So possibly once it trades beyond this zone at 1918, you can expect it to hit 1922, and then once it drops trades past 1920-22 zone, then 1925 and 30 levels to be seen, which is a very good resistance. We have seen it previously achieving those levels. Now it may try to attempt and achieve if it continues to trade above 1920-22 levels. Right now with the base at 1914, it is trying to rise. So yes, trading below 1914, you can expect 1910, 1905 and then 1900 levels. Again, it can reverse completely. If you look at the hourly charts also, if you will find that it is trying to trade in this channel. It was trading in this channel and now it has breached past this channel looking upwards. So possibly once it has breached the channel, it may continue to trade bullish from here. You have to be cautious till it trades above 1914 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, and see it appears it has achieved the peak here, so you should be cautious till towards 1922. The RSI too here too has seen a dip and is rising since then. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see once again, first point is this was the bearish channel in which it was trading, and see couple of more stronger bullish candles and it is trying to reverse. Now it has to trade sustain above 1922 levels. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness might take it till towards 1930 levels. And beyond that, remember, as I've said many times earlier, 1940, 1950 is a very good zone, very good resistance zone for gold, and hence you should be cautious of there if it continues to trade bullish from now onwards. So this is one part. On the downside, see 1910 is a very good support, 1905 is the next support, and then below that further drop can be expected. Also, let me show you something else here. See, if you look at the long-term chart, see this is how gold is been trading since long now. Let me turn off the indicators here and look at the charts of gold. You will find the highs and lows in the 2-hour charts, and you can see precisely it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Now see on the upside, the upper limit of this channel is far away at 1950 levels, and hence you should be cautious. Now trading above 1920-22, sustaining above that zone, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Now let me turn on the indicators here, and we have seen on the 2-hour charts, see the directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought, and this has come to extremely overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over and this is a bullish cross. It may continue to trade bullish from here. RSI is flat and trying to look upwards, is still trying to trade with a bullish bias. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see this previous two candles. Now once it trades past this zone at 1920, certainly you can expect more bullishness, because that time it may try to give you similar size of candle, which is almost from 1896 levels to 1912 levels, almost $15-16, and if you count $15-16 from here, it may take it to exactly at 1930 and plus levels. So be cautious with that. It is trying to trade bullish from here. The directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic has come back to overbought zone, but see the variance is falling back in the oversold zone, so it may take couple or more candles for it to cover up, and since then it may trade bullish. The MACD may try to converge crossover with this single bullish candle here. RSI trading flat here, And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likewise, see first bullish candle. Also remember, the previous candle was a breakout candle. Now it is trying to trade bullish. Possibly it may cover up the gap till here, that is might take it till towards 22-25 levels, and beyond that further bullishness can be expected. Direction movement is crossed over for a bullish move. Stock MACD trying to converge here, and remember the stochastic has come to overbought zone. Still it has room for it to rise. RSI trading flat near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts. See, most importantly on the daily charts, you can see this is an expanding triangle, and hence now 1920, 1922 levels are going to remain important, trading above which you can expect that it may try to cover up completely, and in fact it can show you very good swings. So see, from 1910, 1908 to 1896 almost $12, and from 1908 to $12 it is 1920, and hence once it trades above 1920 more bullishness can be seen. The directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought. It has seen a little dip yesterday. The MACD is trying to converge here. RSI is trading overbought again. So once you see it trading above 1920, you can buy. And yes, you can sell at 1910 levels. In between this zone, do not try to take any position. It is still trying to get the resistance at around 1917-18 zone. And precisely beyond 1920-22, you can expect more bullishness, taking it till towards 1925, 1930, and beyond that, sky is the limit. We can see a massive bullish candle. On the downside, below 1908, 1910, you can sell. Expect 1905, 1900, and 1895, 1890 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch, that is the 19th batch, is going to start on first week of February. Enroll now itself, book your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, see, crude oil has in fact breezed past $82 levels and seen a high at around 82.2. Now it is trying to retrace a bit, but remember, this should be still considered a consolidation. If you connect these dots here, you will find this is oil is trying to trade in this channel. Now support here at 81, 81.4 is very, very strong. Only sell entry I will recommend is below 81, below which you can expect a little drop till towards 80.4, 80 and then 79.4 levels. On the upside, you can buy at 82.2, and then you can expect it to fly past 82.5 and in fact achieve 83 levels. Directional movement is bullish on the hourly charts. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish here. See, it is seen the highs and it is still looking upwards here. The RSI is also trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now if you look at the 2-hour charts, you will find suddenly the bullishness has accelerated in crude oil here, and it is in a hurry to achieve $83 levels, but it has to sustain above 82.2 levels. For that, then definitely you can expect 83 levels. At the same time, only sell entries below 81. So in between 81 and 82.2, do not take any position. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is near to the highs here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, one thing is more important, that it is trading with the support at the 20-period moving average, and see, this is diverging now. So divergence with the 20-period moving average indicates bullishness, and once it trades beyond 82.2, certainly more bullishness can be expected. 83, 84 levels can be seen, which is going to be the next stronger resistance there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat and still trading with divergence. RSI near to the highs there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. See, on the 4-hour charts, 81.5 was a very good resistance. It has breached this resistance and achieved the next target at 82.2. So definitely trading above 82.2, 83 is the target. And you can see on the downside, 80.8, that is the support. So rather, I will say 80.8 and 82.2, this $1.4. You have to remain cautious. In fact, you can try to sell at 81.5, but then expect 81.2, 81 and 80.8 as the major support. Below that, 80.5 as the next support, and if it breaches 80.5, then only consider this as bearish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. And if you look at daily charts here, now look at the daily charts. See, oil is now trading, this is after a couple of retracement candles, this is the second bullish candle. Second thing is it is now trading above the 100 period moving average, which is situated at 81.5 levels. Also, if you look at the charts, this is trying to trade in this bullish zone. 83, 84 levels are the highs of this channel, and hence you should be alert here. If it breaks past 82.2, you can expect more bullishness there. Expect it to achieve 83 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is still overbought, and hence a crash below 80.8, which might take it below 80, and if it trades below 80, further bearishness might take it till towards 79.4. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking upward. So considering this, you can buy at 82.2, sell at 80.8 for this $1.4. Just observe, just be watchful, just see what it does, and possibly breaking either sides, definitely you can take a position and you can make profit accordingly. Because see, the levels are very important for you to trade. Do not just jump in thinking that the data, the news is going to be positive or negative, or some charts are saying something. So just stick to the levels and definitely one can trade profitably. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. The Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.